Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today, I want to show you an easy way to rake the pine needles off of your lawn. And this is a new tool. This is a thatching rake now, and I have it on my website where you can buy it. And but the neat thing about it is, it works so well. I consider this a game changer, and so we're in a nice view house here in Queen Anne neighborhood, Seattle, and this is a beautiful house, beautiful property, but it's underneath a great big old evergreen tree here. You can see the shadow, and it has just dropped a lot of needles. Acidity from the needles kills the lawn. So I'd like to show you how to rake these up very effortlessly. So this works very, very well, a lot better than a standard rake, that's for sure. And if you wanted to try to keep grass growing underneath a tree like this, you could use this thatching rake I've got on my website here, and then you could reseed. Because no matter what you do, no matter what kind of grass you put down here, the needles will kill the lawn. It is the job of this tree, is to kill the lawn. And this gives you that option of just raking out the needles like this, putting out some more seed, and especially if you're trying to sell a house. And there's a lot of houses up for sale here right now in the Seattle area. But like I say, this is a beautiful property with a nice view. And this gentleman is realistic with his lawn, and he has me come in every fall to aerate, seed, and fertilize this lawn. And now he has the option as a homeowner now to come on out here, do a little raking, and he can get some new grass growing underneath this tree. Once again, this is Stuart, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.